Hey guys, this is Maria. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will create a beautiful wedding inspired makeup look on my gorgeous model Chloe. And if you want to find out how I created this look, just keep on watching. So I will start off and moisturize Chloe's face, and I'm using the Mariajbeauty moisturizer slash primer, and I'm just applying this all over her face and her neck. When we moisturize the face, we cannot forget the lips, so I'm applying some lip balm on her lips as well, and I will go ahead and start filling in her brows. For foundation, I'm using the Beyond Perfecting foundation by Clinique, and I'm just going to apply this all over her face. And to buff the foundation in, I'm using my most favorite brush ever. This is by Mariajbeauty, and this is the F80 Kabuki brush. I'm going in with the foundation again in a few areas where I feel it kind of rubbed off, so I'm just buffing this in with a beauty sponge. To prime her eyes, I'm using the Soft Ochre paint pot and just applying that all over her eyelid. Next, I'm going ahead and just contouring and bronzing her face. For the bronzer, I am using the Benefit Cosmetics Hoola Bronzer. Also, I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some blush and bake her under eye area and the nose and the T-zone, because Chloe told me that she has combination skin, so she tends to get a little oilier in her T-zone. So I want to make sure that I just bake that properly. To start off the eyes, I'm going ahead and just highlighting the brow bone area, and I'm taking the Sigma Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette, and this is the shade Humble. Taking the Morphe M514 brush, I'm taking a warm toned transition shade and just lightly applying that in her outer corner crease and inner corner. Taking the shade Loam from the Sigma Enchanted palette, I'm going to apply that in her crease and outer corner. For the eyelids, I am using the shade Sunburst from the Sigma Enchanted palette, and I'm just going to take a flat brush and applying that all over her eyelid. For the liner, I am using an eye pencil, which is a brown eye pencil. I believe it's by Maybelline, and I'm just going to buff it out with a small brush. For her lower lash line, I'm using the same shades that I used in her crease, and I'm going ahead and just tightlining her eyes. I applied the lashes off camera, so I chose to go for lighter lashes, not too heavy, since I wanted to keep the eye makeup very soft. Last but not least, I'm going ahead and just applying some lipstick, and I chose to go for a nice romantic pink color. And this was the complete tutorial. I hope you all enjoyed it. I would love to hear from you guys, so if you have any questions or feedback, make sure to drop them down below in the comment section, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Mariajbeauty. Thank you so much for watching.